Hello friends, thank you for choosing and taking time to watch this video about Amy Broker software. Your views about the market will not be the same after watching this video about this software, so please pay attention while you watch this video. Now, without wasting time, let us see what this particular Amy Broker software has to offer. Just by following this formula, you will forget about the losses in market and will enjoy only profits. So my dear friends, are you ready to make money in Indian share market? Okay. Every software has its own advantages. What is the advantage of Amy Broker? Now, let us begin with some brief history of this software and see how the Amy Broker has worked wonder for the people who followed, including me, have gained and made profit. This graph this graph has shows you the performance. Let us see this graph. Here what you are seeing here is the 7th December graph. Now we are going to sell the Nifty at 5042.99, say 5053. Now let's see what happens after we have bought. Say we have bought two lots of Nifty, that is we have we have sold, sell. You can see here the Amy Broker is showing sell for 5042, that is 5053. We have sold the Nifty at 5043, let's say two lots, that is 100. Now let us see what happens from here. Now we are here on the 8th December graph. The 8th December, these candles which you are looking at will be changing every 15 minutes, giving you the indications. So let us see what are the indications on 8th day of December. Now on the 8th day of December, if you see, the market has closed at 4930 and it has gone to the next trading day, that is on 9th December 2012. The market opened on the big gap down, that is 4870. Still there is no indication of buyback from Amy Broker. So what should we do? We have to wait till it gives the buyback indication. So again, at the close of the day, that is 9 December 2011, the market is at 4864 and it has given 4864. Please show the graph of 4864. Okay, that is 4864. Now still there is no buyback, so we are going to the next trading day, that is 12th December. Please show the graph of 12th December. Okay, now the 12th December graph has started going on. Here my dear friends, let us see what is the indications of Amy Broker on 12th of December. Meanwhile, the green line which you are seeing here is to modify stop losses. Once you get contacted with us, we will give the details about the stop losses also. Now on the 12th of December, now no indications, so we are going to the next day, that is 13th of December. Okay, now let us see what happens in 13th of December. Please see the graphs carefully. Now it is coming, since we have sold, please remember that we have sold the Nifty on 5043. Now on the 14th of December, the position of Nifty is 4819 and again opening of 14th is 4788. Same card again. So there is no indication on even on 14th December. So let us go to the 15th December. So here, my friends, you can see the indication showing buy on 4831, that is buy on 4831 or 14th December. So if we get total, you have sold Nifty at 5043 and you have bought Nifty at 4831, that is all put together a profit of 211 points in Nifty. And as I said before, if we have bought two lots for 100 shares, we have booked profit of 21,100. My dear friends, the point which you should note here is once you buy the thing, again you have to buy back, that is you are going to buy back at 4831. So two trade you have to do simultaneously. Now you have bought at 4831 two lots of Nifty, say for example. Now here AMI broker indicates to sell at 4760. Now what is this? This is the loss of 70 points. Okay, let us do how the AMI broker is saying to us. Let us not work our own brains here. So now I am selling this on 4760 with the loss of 70 points. That is, we have already gained 211 points, but sold but have loss of 70 points. That still we are profit in 141 points. Now we are going, as I said you before, you have to buy this again simultaneously. You have to do two trades, that is 4760 you have sold and sell again at 4760. We are going to the next trading day. Let us see what happens on next trading day. Here, as I said you before, these candles will appear once in a 15 minutes, giving you the clear indication of the how the market is going. So you have sold that in 4760, again to buy that in 4782.11. My dear friends, if you see here, again we are booking the loss of 21 points. So all put together 91 points have been lost. But we are again going to, as I said, simultaneously we are going to buy again at 4782. So after buying at 4782, let us see what is going to happen here. Okay, we are going further. Please see this graph carefully. Now we are here at 4782 we have bought. Now the graph is going, and now let us see when it is indicating to sell the two lots which you have. Now you are selling at 4733, again booking the loss of 49 points. So I'll put together 140 points are gone. My dear friends, why I am showing you this graph is that I am not hiding you that this will make only profit. What I am showing you is you will never make a loss, you will always be in profit. Okay, now let's go further to the 20th December. You have sold again at 4733. You have sold again at 4733 and 19 December. Okay, now let us go further from 19 December to we are going towards 20th December. Still no indications from AMI Broker software. Let me remind you, this is very easy software, anyone can use who has the knowledge of Nifty. Okay, my dear friends, let us see and wait for the buy signal. Okay, still no indications. Let us see. We are on 21st December. Let us see what are the indications. What is it here? Here we can see now. It is giving buy at 4642, profit of 91 points, my dear friends. Again the profit of 91 points. As in this history you can see, first we have booked 211 points, then continuously we lost 71 points, and now we have got profit of 91 points. So this is, my friends, software I have to offer to you. For further details you can contact me on the numbers shown on this screen, that is 95350 and 9900 For all those who are outside Karnataka, please add 0 before dialing the number. So this is it, my friends. Thank you for being with me. And let us see, before finishing, I'll give you the details of Ami Broker, how it has given the profit of another some points. So if you go on 22nd December, let us see, please show the graph of 22nd December. So when we bought that at 4642, simultaneously we have sold it and we have bought, and then again we bought it at 4642. Now after 2 trading days, now let's see, here you can see, my friends, on 28th of December the Ami Broker software shows you the sell indication, giving you the 56 points. I'm sorry, if you calculate, the points will be of 84 points. So my dear friends, total profit on just 2 lots, that is 100 shares, from 7th December to 28th December we have profited. Otherwise we can say that Ami Broker has given the indication of 246 points. With 100 shares you have got profit of 24,600 rupees of profit by only trading 2 shares. Thank you very much for watching this. Again, I would like to say you that you can contact me anytime at this number 95350 55269. Thank you.